I love to travel, but my workout routine would always get put on hold. I needed to figure out how to keep things going no matter where I was, and I think I have. Let's go over 5 different concepts that should help you too. Maybe even working out and getting into a good routine as well, but then you travel and expect to keep the same routine with the same level of strength and energy. It's not likely to happen. You have long days, uncomfortable seats, and overall travel stress. Therefore, don't expect a typical performance after an atypical day. This doesn't mean we should give up and put things on hold. If you're always waiting to get in the perfect workout on the road, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. Instead, go for what you can with what you have wherever you are. There are still plenty of ways to make the workout challenging for you, even if it's different than normal. And getting in any sort of exercise will help tremendously when you're back home and can ramp up the workouts again. Much more so than letting perfectionism take over and doing nothing. We want to keep similar workouts and routines on the road, but even the best laid plans go astray and you end up in a hotel gym with a broken treadmill and a pile of mismatched dumbbells. Therefore, we need to be flexible. I can hear it now though. I don't know what to do. There are too many options. First, see point number 1. Adjust your expectations. Any workout is going to be better than the workout you never do. Next, make adjustments brutally simple. If your regular workout had a lower body exercise, then do any lower body exercise. If your regular workout had an upper body exercise, then do any upper body exercise. If you were pushing, push. If you were pulling, pull or curl. But how many reps should I do? Yes, do 5, do 50, do whatever feels challenging to you. You can do exercises for more reps than you're used to, or with less rest in between than you normally take, or slower than you're used to, or faster, or with the pause at the hardest part. The point is you can take any exercise and adjust it lots of different ways, but just do something. Less thinking, more doing. All these adjustments are easier if you do a bit of Googling beforehand. Research local gyms. Figure out their locations, hours, equipment, and how you're going to get there. Research local parks. I've used Street View plenty of times to see if there's any available equipment, and you'll be amazed at the options sometimes. And you can prep and pack a few things too that'll expand your options. My personal favorites, looped bands, as they take up minimal space and don't need any anchor points for a variety of exercises. A good pair of walking shoes is invaluable anywhere you go to. If you've got a bit more space, then gymnastics rings or a suspension trainer are both excellent choices. They're fairly light and you can hang them up for a bigger variety of exercises. And if you will be lifting at the gym, I really like bringing lifting straps. These can help you hold onto bars and dumbbells if chalk is not an option. If you don't have any extra equipment, no worries either. Bodyweight exercises will be just fine for pushing and lower body, and you can use your suitcase or backpack for pulling exercises. And last thing I'd recommend to pack would be some quick workout snack to have beforehand. Whether that's a protein bar or a piece of fruit, this is helpful if you have an early workout and need to eat a little bit beforehand. Which brings me to my next point. Another problem I've seen and experienced myself time and time again. You're traveling, you start the day, and you figure you'll just get in your workout later. But then you get caught up in a billion different things or you're just exhausted. Therefore, the best way to know you'll get in your workout is to do it first thing in the morning. But what if I don't like morning workouts? Neither do I. As for a pre-workout meal, you might be able to stomach a bit of food before an early session or you might not. So start with just a small snack or light breakfast if it's your first time. Now we've been talking about fitting in a separate workout in your travel plans, but what if you just make the workout part of your travel? Maybe it's a fun hike or some other new activity in the spot you're exploring. It might not look like your typical workout, but you're still keeping active. Need more help? Check out our article, How to Stay in Shape While Traveling, with more ideas and even a few specific workouts. Jump on our awesome newsletter for more helpful tips and advice to keep you moving towards your goals. Subscribe, like, share, all that stuff. We really appreciate it when you do. And let us know if you have any helpful tips when you're on the road. Safe travels.